Good morning, class. So, till now we have completed our one chapter in history, one in civics, and one in geography. Today, we are going to start our second chapter in history, which is establishment of company power. Okay, how Britisher or we can say European have established their company, and after that ruling over India. We will discuss about all the European countries in this chapter. So here we can see what are the top topics which we will discuss in this chapter. First we'll discuss about the European trading companies in India. There are different European countries who entered in India for the purpose of business. Then conquest of Bengal, then conquest of Mysore, then Punjab, then causes of success of the British, then Anglo-French rivalry in India, then double government, after that conquest of Maratha, and then annexation on various pretext. Okay, so in this chapter we will cover all these topics. Okay, it is a little bit lengthy chapter, but it is very interesting. It is a base how colonial rule were established in India. Okay, colonial rule means rule of European country. Okay, beta. So first, there is an introduction. The Indian and Arab traders used to conduct overland trade with many countries including Europe. Okay, the first direct sea route from Europe to India via the Cape of Good Hope was opened by Vasco da Gama, who reached the coast of Calicut in May 1498. Thus, the direct trade between the countries of Western Europe and India. Vasco da Gama had come to India as a representative of the King of Portugal. Thus, the Portuguese were the first European nation who settled down in India as traders. They enjoyed monopoly of Indian trade all throughout the 16th century. It was not only due to the fact that they were the first to come to the India, but also that Pope Alexander VI had granted them a decree of in 1492, and no Catholic Christian dared to challenge this decree. But the situation changed with the Protestant movement in the Europe, and thus other European traders entered India for trade. These other European were the Dutch, the British, and the French. Okay, beta. So this was intro of the chapter. So, beta, in general knowledge, you have read about Vasco da Gama. He came in India in 1498. He was a Portuguese. Okay, पोर्टुगल का वो रहने वाला था. इंडिया का उसने डिस्कवरी की थी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट यूरोपियन कंट्री who started trade in India was Portugal. Okay, and almost 300-400 years they continued their business. Okay, we will study that how their business was ruined by the Britishers. Okay, so what you will have to keep it in mind here, that Vasco da Gama came to the India through coast of Calicut in 1498, and Portuguese were the first European country to start trade in India. Okay, although before that we were doing trade with the other countries, other European countries, but it was not on that quantity. ओके, वो इतना ज़्यादा लार्ज स्केल पे नहीं था जितना इंडिया की डिस्कवरी के बाद किया गया। ओके, आपको बस अब फ़िलहाल इतना ही ध्यान रखना है। इसके बाद इसका पूरा डिटेल हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ में डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके बेटा।